guys, it's Maggie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another video, part of my bag series. It's going to be a little mini bag unboxing, so like my favorite types of videos to film ever. So excited to share with you guys this one because I'm obsessed. So let's just jump into the video. Just a little shout out what I'm wearing on my lips. So I'm wearing the Sephora collection Sephora lip gloss. Honestly, it doesn't matter if there's like a sale or not because the Sephora collection products are always pretty reasonably priced. But like I'm pretty sure when it's VIB sale, Sephora collection has like a 20% off or like 30% off or something. But this is in the shade 05. It's really nice. So that's why I wanted to share with you guys. They also have a really pretty nude one. I'm pretty sure a lot of people also recommend that one, but I have 05 and it's so good. So super minty as well if you like that plumping effect. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the unboxing. I am so excited. So this is the bag I'm gonna be doing the unboxing on today. So I'm not sure if you guys have heard of the brand Praying. If you have, it's probably from like Blackpink inspired outfits because I know Lisa from Blackpink wears a lot of Praying and they also sell them on Ssense. So they have their own website, they have obviously their own Instagram, social media, whatever, but they sell on Ssense. So that's how I got it. And I'm so excited to share with you guys. This is what it looks like. And I'm so obsessed. So I guess just a little bit of like a backstory. So this is the packaging. I mean, first of all, so cute. So I also have this one pink Praying t-shirt. If you guys follow me on Instagram or social media at all, you probably know that one of my favorite t-shirts ever is from Praying. It's like this pink t-shirt with rhinestones. It's so Y2K. So the brand is mainly focused on just being very Y2K, very kind of like vintage, grunge, like ballet core as well. And I just think those trends have been super popular this year. So yeah, this is just what it looks like. It is a little mini shoulder bag. We love it so much. Light pink, and it's got the sequins or the rhinestones. So I feel like something that Praying does, like something that the brand does that, you know, stands itself apart from other brands in the market is they're very Y2K, very grunge. So they usually use a lot of like rhinestone in their pieces. You know, they do a lot of t-shirts, which I'll show you guys as well. Like maybe I'll do another haul another day, but I got like a t-shirt from them as well from the Ssense sale, which I want to share with you guys. It's so cute, so Y2K. Yeah, if you guys are also into this trend, I know a lot of people are, then definitely check out Praying. They have so many cute pieces. So this is the bag as I showed you guys. It's so cute. Light pink. On the back it says Praying, and this is what the little tag looks like as well. It's just white and got the blue letters, and this is basically the God's favorite rhinestone pink bag. So right off the bat, I think some pros of this bag is it is nylon, so you don't have to be super careful with it. Like I'm pretty careful with my bags, but like I feel like when it comes to nylon, like my Prada 2001, I'm like a little bit more relaxed with it because, you know, it is nylon. So it's nylon. The color is so cute. It's light pink. They have a black one as well. They also have fur ones. I was also contemplating about the light pink fur one, the pink and white fur, but I just feel like fur products usually like matte down after a while. I'm pretty sure like the Marc Jacobs fur tote, a lot of people were saying that it like the fur, the fuzziness isn't as fuzzy after a while. So I just decided nylon was my best bet, but they have a really cute brown fur one. So if you guys are into like neutrals and like browns and whatever, then I think you should probably go for like the fur brown one because that one's like pretty cute. Black, of course, you can't go wrong, but like pink is my favorite. And I just feel like, you know, wear it on your shoulder or something. It'll just be so cute. Pink, I feel like is such a staple. So even if you guys are just wearing an all black outfit, you put this on, it'll pop. And also another thing is if you guys like doing aesthetic photo dumps or filler photos, you know, that type of stuff, like super aesthetic photos at like restaurants or I don't know, of your nails, I feel like this would be perfect as like a little prop, a little piece in the photo, you know what I mean? So yeah, I love this so much and I'm so excited to style it and wear it and just take it out. So if I have any photos of me, you know, using this bag or taking pictures with it, definitely insert it. You know, it'll be in the thumbnail. It'll probably be on my Instagram. So definitely follow me on there. So that's just like a short little unboxing video. I will definitely be back to do like a review of like my usage and what fits inside after a while. If you guys are interested, definitely subscribe to my channel, like this video, to let me know if you guys want to see that. But like, look at how adorable and gorgeous. I will definitely be linking this bag in the description box down below for you guys to check out. And yeah, hopefully Praying realizes that I'm tagging them in literally every Instagram picture I post, and just collaborate with me, please, because I love their brand. So yeah, that's pretty much the end of today's video, guys. Super short and sweet, but I'll probably do like an in-depth video later on. As I mentioned, I'll definitely be linking some more Praying pieces in the description box below. And also don't forget to check me out on my other social media platforms, always linked in the description box below. And I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.